Oh, I can read your mind. Okay? Sige. Think of a name na hindi ko kilala. Wait lang, wait lang. Okay na? Bubuksan to ah. Sino yun? Teacher Mariel. Wait lang. Tapos think of a animal. Wait lang. Think of an animal ah. Wait lang, wait lang. Think of an animal. Okay. Sabihin mo sa akin.
Capybara.
Capybara. Okay, tapos think of a color. Wait lang. Color ka na. Tapos think ano ka? Up, down, left, right. Wait lang, wait lang. Ano yung una kong tinanong sa'yo? Pagkatason, color pa pala. Anong color?
Yellow.
Yellow, diba? Tapos magano ka? Up, down, left, right. Okay na? Up, down, left, right. Si Daddy gantuin natin ah. Okay, magic. Tadadadan. Okay. So, yung unang tanong ko sa'yo, sino yung iniisip mo?
Teacher Mariel. Wow. Okay.
Tapos, sino yung ano yung color? Ay, ano yung animal?
Capybara.
Tapos,
Magic.
magic, diba? Anong color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Magic.
Up, down, left, right. Up.
Up. Ginawa.
Panis!
Ginawa.
Panis! Panis! Boom!